teach CBSE 10th Maths. Hey guys, this is Tina. I teach CBSE 8 Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 5 Arithmetic Progressions, Exercise 5.3, 17th question. Alright, now let's read the question. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? So this is really easy to understand, okay? So there is a school, okay? So in a school, no students, they thought of planting trees around the school to reduce air pollution. Of course, everyone used to do that, isn't it? So it was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be same as the class. So here what they are what they have mentioned in this part is, so of course you guys know in each class they used to have 3 sections, isn't it? So for example in class 1 there are 3 sections, and class 2 also there are 3 sections. Likewise till class 12th, there are 3 sections, okay? So here they thought of planting the trees according to the class. So here for example there is a class 1, okay? So here we have class 1, right? So class 1 will plant 1 plant. So class 2 will plant 2 plants. So class 3 will plant 3 plants. Likewise they thought of planting the trees. So what about class 12? How many plants they will plant? They'll plant 12 trees, okay? Why? Because they mentioned, right? So class 1 will plant 1 plant. Likewise class 12 will plant 12 trees, okay? So there are 3 sections of each class. Here they mentioned that class 12 they will plant 12 plants, isn't it? So they just mentioned that, but here the question is, the twist is, there are 3 sections of each class. So in class 1 there are 3 sections, that is section number A, B, C, and class 2 even they will have 3 sections, that is A, B, C, and till class 12 there are 3 sections. So how many trees will be planted by the students? Here the question is, how many trees will be planted by the students from class 1 to class 12? Why? Because there are various sections, right? So that's why here the question is, how many trees will be planted by the students, okay? So it is really easy to understand, okay? So now let us form an AP. Before forming the AP, I would like to say something. So first class, okay, I'll write first class students. How many plants will they plant? So of course you guys know in the question they mentioned 1 plant, isn't it? 1 second. Okay, so here now in the first class, the students will plant 1 plant, isn't it? So I'll write 1. But you guys know that in first class there are 3 sections, isn't it? So we are supposed to multiply it with 3. Okay, so 1 into 3, it is 3. So likewise the second class, so here second class students will plant is equal to, so second class will plant 2 plants, isn't it? But in the second class also there are 3 sections, so 2 into 3, that is 6. So likewise for third, so third class, how many plants they'll plant? They'll plant 3 plants, isn't it? So 3 into how many sections are there? There are 3 sections. Why? Because they mentioned, right, in all the classes there are 3 sections. So 3 into 3 is 9, okay? So now you can see we have 3, 6, 9. So we can now form an AP. So that is 3, 6, 9. So likewise it will go, and so on, okay? And then what about 12? So here, where will I write? Yeah, 1 second. Okay guys, so what about 12th standard? So 12th standard, no, they will plant 12 trees, isn't it? This is standard, okay? Okay, so 12th standard will plant 12 trees, okay? And then you guys know in 12th standard also there are 3 sections. So 12 into 3, that is 36. Okay, so you guys know in a school there are from 1st standard to 12th standard, okay? In this question, no, in this particular school we have classes from 1 to 12. So the last is 36. Why? In this AP, why the last number is 36? Why? Because the last class is 12th standard, isn't it? So here 12th standard will plant 12 trees. So since we have 3 sections, we are supposed to multiply 12 into 3, that is 36. Okay, so likewise I got 36. Okay, so now till here you understood, right? So now we got an AP. Okay, so what are we supposed to find? We are supposed to find how many trees will be planted by the students. So this is the question. So since you guys know the AP, it is 3, 6, 9 and so on and 36. So here the A value is 3 and the D value is 6 minus 3. So that is A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1, that is 6 minus 3 is 3. So this is the D value. Okay, so now we can actually apply the SN formula and we can find it. Okay, so here according to the question, since you guys know, we are supposed to find how many trees will be planted by the students, isn't it? Okay, so now the question is, we don't have n value, what to do? If we know the n value only, we can apply SN formula, right? So how we are going to take n value means, so here the last number is 36, right? So 36 is for which class? So here, for example, you can see here where it is, yeah. So here no, first class they planted 1 tree, and since we have 3 sections, 1 into 3 is 3. So likewise we got 3 and we got 6 and 9. How did I get 36? 12th standard. So 12th standard will plant 12 plants. So 12 into 3 sections. So 12 into 3 is 36. So here the last number is 36, right? So it is A12, isn't it? A12 means the 12th class. Okay, so here this is A1, that is the first standard. This is A2, second standard. This is A3, that is third standard. So this 36 is A12. Okay, so since we have the last as A12, I am going to take n is equal to 12. Okay, wherever we will get n, no, we are supposed to write 12. So now we can apply SN formula. We know the A value, D value and the n value, right? So we can apply SN formula. Okay, now let us apply the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d and close the bracket. So here n value, it is 12, is equal to n value is 12 and then divided by 2 and bracket 2 into a is 3 plus n value is 12 and then minus 1 into d is 3, close the bracket. Okay, so now 12. So here we have 12 divided by 2, right? So we can cancel it. 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12. So 6 into 3 2s are, it is 6, and then plus 12 minus 1, it is 11, and then bracket, right? So into 3. Okay, so 12 is equal to 6 and bracket 6 plus 11 into 3 is 33, and then close the bracket. 12 6. So when we just add them now, we get 39. So now 6 into 39 is 234. Okay, so finally we got to know how many plants the students planted, right? So totally they planted 234 plants, not plants, trees, right? I'm sorry guys, it is trees. Okay, so trees. Okay, so how many plants will be planted by the students? There are 234 plants planted by 234 trees planted by the students. Okay, so this is trees, okay, not plant. Why? Because trees and plant, there are a lot of difference. According to the question, we are supposed to find how many trees are planted by the students. So there are 234 trees that is planted by the students. Okay, so this is our answer.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.